Are you tired of blowing accounts and jumping from Signals Group to Signals Group? Are you looking to start generating an extra income from your phone in your spare time? If so, you have come to the right place. Welcome to the gold trading community, the fastest growing copy and paste trading group on the internet. We have a proven track record of helping thousands of clients generate profits in the Forex markets from our simple copy and paste service. With an 80% win ratio and a risk to reward of 1 to 3 per trade, we have quickly become the fastest growing trading community online. By simply copying the trades that we send out and pasting them into your trading account, you can profit along with us and thousands of other members. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are someone who has been in and around the trading space for some time, this is a place that you can call home. Some of you are probably thinking, I am completely new to this and have no experience. Can I really do this? The answer is 100% yes. Our e-learning platform hosted on School comes complete with a beginner's guide to Forex, copy and paste trading, as well as further learning for those who want to understand more advanced topics. There are groups like this all over the internet. Why is ours any different? We are transparent. We are not here to tell you that every member in our community makes thousands of pounds a day, because they don't. Some days we may not even make money, because that's trading. But we are real, transparent, and we will teach you how to navigate this space safely and generate consistent, sustainable profits over time, focusing on risk management that will help you protect your money and be profitable in the long term. You may be wondering, how much does all this cost? All the services provided in the gold trading community are 100% free. A question I often get asked: if it's free, what do you get out of it? The answer is simple. We get paid by our sponsors, which keeps everything free for the community. If you are ready to get started, simply click the link below this video and we will see you inside the gold trading community.